We all know how uncertain and stressful of a time it's been. But these last few weeks, everyone's been doing their part and has truly demonstrated our community's great and unified character. It's important to remind ourselves during times like these that we are a unified community, and with the help and participation from everyone, we can and will get through this. Healthcare workers, first responders, those in farming and agriculture, and many others continue to put the needs of our community ahead of their own health and safety. Community members are sacrificing financial security and comfort to shelter in place for the sake of protecting others. And our children are giving up their normal and familiar schooling and social lives to do their part in flattening the curve. Everyone is doing what they can for the good of others, and in doing so, are helping to limit the spread of the virus as much as possible. For our team here at Price Ford of Turlock, we're doing everything we can to help our community. Many are at home taking care of their families or assisting at-risk family members. However, as an essential business for auto repair and auto parts supply, we're operating at the highest capacity possible under these unforeseen circumstances. Team members who don't usually work with the service department are assisting with free pickup and delivery of vehicles in need of repair, maintenance, or safety recalls for anyone who needs it. For our small part, we're doing what we can to keep our farmers, grocery store employees, and everyone's vehicles operating correctly. Since we've been repairing other makes and models for years, we're also offering free pickup and delivery for Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, Dodge, or any other make. In an effort to keep our customers and employees safe, we've added cleaning measures throughout the dealership for increased peace of mind. This time has been challenging for all of us, and with our shelter-in-place order expected to last at least through April 30th, we'll all need to support each other, and we'll be better for it. Ford Motor Company and Ford Credit have been trying to do their part to help as well. As many of you may have heard, the UAW and Ford Motor Company have converted a factory in Michigan to provide 50,000 ventilators and estimate they'll reach a capacity of 2,000 ventilators a day very soon. They've also delivered 5,000 face shields to health facilities in Northern California alone, and over 200,000 face shields nationwide. Ford Credit announced payment extensions for all their customers with a Ford Credit auto loan. You can contact Ford Credit directly or contact us and we'll help you through the process. During these unprecedented times, Ford has also announced incentives on almost all new Ford vehicles for the entire month of April. With the exception of Super Duty and Raptor, Ford is offering 0% on all vehicle lines for 2019 and 2020 for 72 months with no payments until at least August. For the remaining 2019 models, the term can be extended to 84 months. Across the United States, customers have been able to trade in their current vehicle, drastically lower their interest rates, lower their payments in so many cases, and replace their vehicle with a new, safer, and more reliable transportation. For those in need of a vehicle, our team will help evaluate your specific circumstance over the phone, text, or email, and bring the vehicles to you for a test drive while avoiding any direct contact to make sure we keep everyone as safe as possible. Our website has multiple pictures of all our inventory, as well as vehicle descriptions and payment options. We can evaluate your trade based on your description and make the process as easy as possible. For anyone who needs their vehicle picked up for service, their current Ford Credit payment extended, or has questions about the other offers, please contact us at pricefordofturlock@gmail.com or reach out to us at the number below. Thank you from our team at Price Ford of Turlock. Stay safe and let us know if we can be of any assistance.